Hello, islanders and global viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This morning we're doing another impromptu video for you because guess what? We woke up to no power and we just gotta eat. So here we are, no microwave this morning. So we're just improvising. Can you see what's happening here? Yes, I'm on my 2-burner gas stove. This is our backup stove. Yes, and so I'm warming my daughter's porridge. And there it is. I put it in the dish like that. Yes. Another little pot underneath so that the water will just boil up and give us that nice little steam so that she can have her breakfast. Yes.
Okay.
Right, Mama Sita?
Yes, Mommy.
Sure. So,
Wait, Mommy, I'm going to have some water.
you're going to have some water. Okay, darling. You can do just that. Yes, guys, just sharing that with you quickly. Can you imagine that? Yeah. Okay, and there it is. The kettle is boiling too to make our tea. Yes, gonna have this with some muffins because I'm not about to do any big dramatic cooking when I can't be on my regular stove this morning. Just gonna do some muffins with this and maybe some fruits, and that's it. Okay guys, the improvised breakfast journey continues. Here is our muffin and I'm gonna be just slicing this a little bit, peeling that away nicely and just slice it in a few little pieces. You don't want it to look really appetizing so that my husband won't bother to feel that I'm shortchanging him with breakfast. Yes, perhaps I should remove this part of it now. Yes, I'll remove this. Place it right there. And come in, I'm just gonna slice this in about 3 pieces. One down and drop it, and another cut here. All right, that's looking good enough. Does it look like I'm saving the day, guys? I hope so. I hope my husband will enjoy it. Yes, that's it. I'm gonna put this fruit plate right here. As a matter of fact, just moving it right over, switching sides like that. Pull up some of this fruit that we have here. It's a little bit chilled from the fridge. Yes, goody. And then put some of this cherry on top so that when he sees this, he's gonna say, "Oh, sweetie, you had this planned the whole time." And then I can just smile and act as if, yes, it was planned. How do I look? Great, and rest it right there on the plate. That's it. Looking simple and easy. Then we're gonna put some chocolate tea with that. Remember the kettle was boiling already? So we're gonna just pour some chocolate into that cup and pour on the hot water. Okay, here's our chocolate. Today we're using some Lasco chocolate mix in French vanilla. I particularly like the French vanilla, and my husband likes it too. Great. And in this chocolate vanilla mix, it's just ready to go. You just pour hot water and it's ready. No long process. You don't even have to add sweetener to it. But if you like, you can add a little bit of creamer, but trust me, it's fine. It's just as it is. It's really fine just as it is. All right, in with the hot water. Awesome. That's it. Ready to go. Give it a nice little stir. That's it. It dissolves really quickly as well. You don't have to be mixing it for a long time. And then I would say breakfast is ready. What would you say? Okay, there you go, guys. Breakfast in 5. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to share, and those of you who have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Ciao.